Mom, I'm home. So hungry. Is there any food?
Hey, I'm busy right now. Could you just check the fridge and see if you can make something?
Me? Ini? Alright. No, not the egg! Ow! Oh, that hurts. This is so much harder than I thought. Are you serious? No way my mom does this on the daily. Wish there was a cookbook that could help guide me through all this.
Did somebody say cookbook?
Cookbook? Where'd you come from?
Don't worry about that, my boy. I got exactly what you need.
Is there something that can help me stop this paper cut?
Yes, sir. Has easy recipes inside of it. You can make great food anytime you want.
Wow, so I don't have to guess anymore.
Yes, sir. No more broken eggs, no more kitchen disasters, and no more asking your mom what was for dinner.
Wow, Mom, I found the answer.
What is it?
It's a cookbook that can help me make tons of Ethiopian traditional foods.
Yes, sir. Maybe tonight you can cook for us.
That's a good one. I mean, maybe. Let's see. What's the first recipe here?
That's the spirit. Now, with each of our cookbooks, it's easier for you to cook, create, and enjoy the taste of tradition. Get your copy today.